Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we explore the intriguing world of the NBA with these 10 jaw-dropping facts that will leave you amazed and informed. From surprising player salaries to bizarre curses, uncover the hidden truths behind the scenes of your favorite basketball league. Number 10. NBA mascot riches. Unveiling an astonishing NBA secret. Did you know that NBA mascots can rake in more earnings than doctors? Prepare to be amazed by the jaw-dropping salaries of mascots like Benny the Bull, Harry the Hawk, and Rocky the Mountain Lion. These colorful characters are redefining riches in the world of sports entertainment. Number 9. Monster truck derbies in arenas. Get ready for an unexpected twist in NBA arenas. Did you know that these iconic sports venues can transform into adrenaline-pumping monster truck derbies in just 90 minutes? Discover the exciting crossover between basketball and high-octane entertainment as you witness the astonishing sight of roaring monster trucks taking center stage after the final buzzer. Number 8. Referee scandal. Beneath the glamour of NBA games lies a dark tale that rocked the basketball world. Meet Tim Donaghy, once a respected referee who secretly indulged in a gambling addiction that led him down a treacherous path. Discover how Donaghy's illicit activities included betting on his games and sharing insider information, tarnishing the integrity of the sport. Dive into the world of threats, mafia involvement, and legal consequences that forever changed the perception of NBA officiating. Number 7. Tallest and shortest teammates. Imagine a pairing that defied the odds. A towering giant and a pint-sized dynamo joining forces on the same NBA team. In the 1980s, the Washington Bullets embarked on a bold experiment by drafting two players who couldn't be more different in stature. Manute Bol, standing at an impressive 7 feet 7 inches, and Muggsy Bogues, a mere 5 feet 3 inches, formed an unforgettable duo that captured the imagination of fans. Delve into the story of how this unique pairing not only challenged conventional norms, but also showcased the diverse beauty of basketball and the unbreakable bonds of camaraderie. Number 6. The player with missing finger. Meet Gerald Green, an NBA player who overcame a significant physical challenge to carve out a successful career in professional basketball. At the age of 11, Green experienced a life-changing accident that resulted in the loss of one of his fingers. Despite this setback, Green's determination and unwavering passion for the game led him to the NBA. With his unmatched work ethic and incredible talent, he not only defied the odds but also became a force to be reckoned with on the court. Discover the inspiring journey of how Gerald Green used his unique circumstances as a driving force to rise above adversity and establish himself as a respected figure in the world of basketball. Number 5. NBA's humble beginnings. The National Basketball Association, NBA, has come a long way from its modest origins to becoming one of the most recognized and beloved sports leagues worldwide. Founded in 1946, the NBA started with just 11 teams and a vision of bringing the excitement of basketball to a broader audience. Its early years were characterized by small arenas, limited media coverage, and a tight-knit community of players and fans. Number 4. Impact of fines. Fines in the National Basketball Association, NBA, serve as a unique mechanism that goes beyond mere punishment. While they may appear as penalties for rule violations, they carry a deeper significance by fostering positive change and contributing to meaningful causes. NBA players and teams are held to high standards of conduct both on and off the court. When players, coaches, or even team personnel breach these standards, fines are imposed as a deterrent and a reminder of the league's values. However, what sets the NBA apart is its approach to redirecting the financial repercussions toward philanthropic endeavors. Number 3. Pricey championship rings. In the world of professional sports, victory isn't just celebrated, it's immortalized. Nowhere is this more evident than in the National Basketball Association, NBA, where championship rings stand as the ultimate symbols of a team's triumph. However, these rings are not merely pieces of jewelry. They are extravagant works of art that carry a hefty price tag and a deep emotional significance. Number 2. James Harden's strip club struggles. Uncover the surprising connection between James Harden's performance on the court and the quality of strip clubs in the city. Number 1. Rookie Transition Program. Discover the touching origin of the NBA's Rookie Transition Program, established to support and educate incoming rookies to prevent tragic outcomes like the death of Len Bias. NBA players in video games. Learn how NBA players earned over $1 billion through a deal with NBA 2K, making them more than just athletes on the court. Discover these astonishing NBA facts and more as you dive deeper into the captivating world of basketball. Subscribe for more engaging content and stay tuned to unravel even more mind-blowing secrets of the NBA. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.